What's happening? It's your boy Anthony Peso, one half of the Icebreakers, and I'm coming to you with another exciting instructional video on how to install Dodge Charger Tail Light Tint. Thank you, GRIDREADY. They shipped this out to my house, man, and we got a special guest.
Nope.
What's up, Jen?
Hi.
She goes by Fine Chick on IG. So anyhow, I want to give her a special thanks for allowing me to install this tint on her. All right, so let's go. All right, everybody. So as explained at the beginning, so we have the GRIDREADY Charger Tail Light Tint, and it is good for the 2016 models Dodge Chargers on to 2020. And so before we start, I always get my workstation set up. As you see, I got the isofrill alcohol mixed with water. That's the solution that I like to use. It just says really in the instructions to utilize alcohol-based solution when cleaning the area that you're going to install this product on. We also have, y'all like, why you got that blow dryer? Well, because I ain't got a heat gun and it's the same thing. So this will be used to stretch the tail light tint if we have to, which we're in Arizona, so this is really just used because the instructions say so, and I use it for the final part where I'm actually smoothing out the product on that surface. So let's open up our product. Boom. So what we have, they're always very, very diligent in getting you a brand new squeegee for the surface that you'll be using to spread that tint with. They also have, first customers get a welcome gift. So do that right there, getready.com/gift. Boom, scan code. You can also scan that code and probably go through some sort of registration process. Thank you, GRIDREADY. So here we are. This is the instructions, and you're watching the video because you didn't want to read the instructions, but it's all good because when you're doing it yourself, it's always good to still have this manual to kind of check it out prior. So this is the same tint that you used, or that you will use when you go to black out your side lights, reflectors, side light reflectors. And so boom, boom, boom. So we'll go ahead and get through that right there. And of course, here's our product, and they label it. So you can't go wrong with what side to install this on. What they do, which I do fully appreciate and like for, you know, of course, guys like me that might mess up, is they give us an extra tint on one of the sides to practice with. So if you screw up, you can throw that away, no worries. All right, and of course, this right here is Bible in car culture. We love microfiber, so they always make sure you get a fresh microfiber each time you order from them. And man, just this whole deal right here for the price point, you can't beat it. So let's get into it. All right, so we can go ahead and generously apply whatever cleaning solution that you've chosen to clean this area of the tail light.
I'm from another planet.
I like to do the surrounding areas just in case I slip or something. An ant bite me and I tag it in the wrong area. Alright, cool. So I'm trying not to jinx myself, but this is appearing to be a lot easier than the Challenger tail lights. You have a little more area to play with. Alright. So feel free, take your time. I'll take these glasses off. See, there you go. Told you. That bad boy around. Okay. Go ahead and wrap around in. Let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and alright, so right here, I like to make sure I don't have any air bubbles once I find a legit spot to start with, and then kind of lay it smoothly. At this point, you can use the squeegee. I would encourage it. Right now, I'm gonna lay it with my fingers. Yeah. Until I get to Yeah, now this is actually laying a lot easier. The surface is bigger on the charger. So I'm just kind of taking my time laying it and using my thumb or whatever. So right here is where you would alright, so right here is where you get the squeegee. Okay. And you could wrap the microfiber around it. The instructions actually have you to do so. Okay. So we're going to try it like this. So, damn, it came out perfect. So we have a little excess, which is okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if honestly if it wraps in it a hole on that end. That's what the blow dryer is for, or your heat gun. If not, we'll toss this one, redo it, and we'll start further this way. On the tail lights, what I've noticed on Mopar, okay, so this isn't a product issue, this is actually our vehicle issue, is that where they molded the tail light, it's not all the way smooth right here. So you'll get, if you lay tint over that, you get what will appear to be an air bubble, but it's not. So, you know, of course there's going to be guys, you know, drop comments if you have issues with it, let me know and whatever, and help somebody else, you know. Don't be an a-hole. Alright, so we got that. We're going to pop the trunk. Oh, okay. I was like, what was I gonna and she came down the block beating, boy. I thought I was back home in Georgia. I was like, okay, go ahead. Ah, see, yeah, I like this. So this is, yeah, we're gonna leave this one on. So yeah, we'll leave that one on. So it right in here, it has like a white part on the Dodge Chargers. So I think that it would have still showed that white in the light, but with us wrapping it around, we solved that issue. So that was kind of like something that I mentally was like, that's going to be a possible potential problem. But hey man, it's all about solutions, all about solutions. So this is the proper way to utilize the squeegee. Okay, so wrap, boom, boom. So I suggest a squeegee over credit card. Credit card has a lot less surface contact, which means it could rip what you're trying to mess with it on. So, all right, so we'll go ahead and do the second part. All right. So you don't have to hold it there too long. We're in Arizona again, so we play by separate rules with this heat. Alright, so this heat gun is just, or air dryer, blow dryer, just there to heat that up, make sure that it adheres really well, and bam, bam. Alright, so let's do the second part of this. Let's see, driver, trunk, boom. Driver, trunk. Yeah. So let's see how far we can. So I'm just going to see how far we can actually push this, because I want it to have that same result of the wraparound. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm going to align it from the top, I'm thinking. Let's see what we got. Yeah, all right, so I'm gonna show you the proper way to do this part right here. So my little helper passed me the correct tools to go ahead and complete this, and look how easy that is. See, so, and I'm holding it, wiping as we go, and you literally can just bam, bam, Bam. Bam. There it is. Shout out to Living Trill. He had already installed his, so he wasn't available when we was doing this. But when he told me how long it took him to do his, or how quickly it took him to do his, and then I did my Challenger, and I was like, man, I don't know what you did, but my Challenger took a lot longer. All right, so cool. Go ahead and heat this up real quick. Found the breaker. All right, so boom. We already did one side. We're going to go ahead and install the rest of it, and then I'm going to show you the final results. All right, your boy Anthony Peso, gone. All right, what's happening? So we are just about finished with the installation of the 2016 Tail Light Tint for this Dodge Charger. And I have something to show you. So you may not get it perfect, but if you do mess up, or for whatever reason you catch like a little bitty air pocket, just get your X-Acto knife razor, or something as simple, or something as simple as a safety pin, just something that has like a really clean small tip on it that you can just release the air in there. So we're gonna go ahead and show that now. All right, so you can't see it really on camera. I mean, it's really small, but we're just going to just put like a little hole there. We have 3 of them, so we're just putting just enough to release the air. Okay, so. All right, so it doesn't get it all the way perfect, but it does minimize the amount that you see the naked eye on it. Oh, there we go. Cool. All right, so yeah, 5 out of 5 stars. 5 out of 5 stars. I like this product. The Charger was definitely easier to install than the Challenger, but that's not due to the product. That's definitely due to my car. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do our little walk around. Bam. Woo! She riding like the FBI now. Alright, so that's it. Another quick install by your boy Anthony Peso. Shout out to GRIDREADY for the product, and we gone.
Blue cheese, drip. Blue cheese, drip. Blue cheese, drip. I always been fly, I'm the shit. I always been fly, I'm the shit. Got blue cheese all in the zip. Might vape, might dab a little bit. Keep a 15 and know how to split. Hold up, let me dust the crumble off my ass.